Cold open. Welcome to a minute of marvels in the world of quality of service, or QoS. A key player in shaping your network's performance, QoS is your traffic cop, directing the flow of data. Picture a bustling city intersection. That's your network. Cars, buses, bikes, pedestrians, they're your data. Without some form of control, chaos ensues. But introduce a traffic cop, and suddenly, order is restored. That's QoS. QoS is a feature of routers and switches that prioritizes traffic so that more important traffic can pass first. It's like giving an ambulance a clear path in a traffic jam. Then imagine a firewall as your city's walls, protecting from outside threats. While a load balancer, it's like a smart city planner, ensuring data traffic is distributed evenly to prevent congestion. This brief journey into the world of QoS is just the tip of the iceberg. Dive deeper into the world of IT at www.betanetworks.com. Until next time, keep exploring the marvels of technology.
Don't miss out. Smash that subscribe button and hit like to keep up with our awesome content.